Welcome back to Fall in the Field, Webbing It Together. My name's Nora. In the last video, we built this food web. Now let's think about what happens when changes occur in an ecosystem. Resources change from season to season or from year to year, and this causes changes in the entire food web. A resource is something that a species needs to survive. So one resource is the white oak. Some years white oaks produce lots of acorns, and this would mean more food for the things that eat acorns. What eats acorns? The gray squirrel and the acorn woodpecker, their populations would start to increase because they have more food. This would cause the things that eat squirrels and woodpeckers to increase too, such as coyotes or gray foxes. However, since there's more consumers in our food web now, this would start to cause producers such as the willow or the elderberry and the grasses to start to decrease. Lots of changes can happen in an ecosystem over time. Now, what would happen if a resource decreased? How would this affect the food web as a whole? What if the white oak population suddenly decreased and lots of white oaks died? This would cause there to be less acorns in the food web, and this would harm the acorn woodpecker and the gray squirrel that rely on these in their diet. When a resource is removed, an organism gets mad. They could either move, adapt, or they could die. So an organism could move to a new location, or they could adapt by eating other things in their diet more than the acorns, such as crickets or pine cones. When an organism moves or adapts, they show resilience. Resilience is the ability to survive or recover from difficult conditions. How does an ecosystem show resilience?